Hi everybody, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio and in Vienna, West Virginia. If you're selling your house by yourself or if you're working with a realtor and you finally find a house that you're going to buy, you're going to come to this document. It is a real estate contract for sale of the home. Now, very important document that was developed by lawyers, and the verbiage in this document protects both the buyer and the seller. So it's 5 pages long, through some 300 lines long, and it covers a whole lot of different subjects pertaining to the sale of the house. So let's go over it. We'll just do one page at a time, and tomorrow we'll do page 2. Well, the very first page looks like this, and in it has whoever's buying the property, where it's located, the parcel number, and the price, and also there's a date that's on that. At the bottom of the page, there's a place where the buyer and seller both will initial that they've read and understand this document. In the middle of the page, there is a whole lot of verbiage about earnest money. Now, earnest money is a very, very important subject. If there's earnest money involved in the contract, that earnest money goes into the listing agent's escrow account, or I should say the listing agent's broker's escrow account, and it stays there and comes out at the closing, or if both parties, if the contract explodes or goes south, then both parties will have to sign a release so that that money can come back out and go back to the buyer. Very important. A lot of times people don't understand that, but it has to be made very clear exactly what happens with the earnest money. Now, as the broker who has that earnest money, he is audited by the state, and that escrow account cannot make any interest, and it must always be within a certain balance of $100. Can't have any errors in that. So the broker here at Coldwell Banker, he requires that when ready to close, that you write a check back to the person who wrote the earnest money check and hand it to him at the closing. So tomorrow we'll take a look at what page 2 has to say. But if you have any questions so far, you can give me a call and I'll go over the other portions of the contract. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.